Ever wondered how creators turn passion into profit? In this tutorial, we will reveal the secrets to maximizing your Patreon experience. Whether you are an artist, writer, or content creator, join us to discover how to build a community, earn sustainable income, and connect with your biggest fans. Let's get started on your journey to success. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use Patreon tutorial. So first of all, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into patreon.com. This is the homepage. As you can see, we have very several information and the various things that you have to know. But before, let's know what is Patreon. So Patreon is a membership platform that enables creators to earn a sustainable income by providing exclusive content and experiences to their supporters or patrons. It serves as a bridge between creators such as artists, writers, and podcasters, and their audience, allowing fans to financially support their work on a recurring basis. By offering various membership tiers, creators can provide different levels of access and perks, fostering a closer connection with their community. In exchange, Patreon empowers creators to monetize their content while giving patrons a way to directly support the artists they love, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. So the first step that you have to do is just click over get started and you write your email address and your password and you will find the page, the whole page I mean. But if you already have an account, all you have to do is click over login. You can use Google, Apple, Facebook and other options like email. Then you click over continue, you write your password here, then you click over continue. Once you do that, you will find other page. This is it. But you have just to verify if it's a creator. So this is the homepage. As you can see, you have your Patreon is ready. Here is how to make it yours. Adding some details helps visitors learn more about you and what you plan to show here. The first things we have add a profile photo, then we have describe your page, let people know who are you and what you will be using to Patreon for. You click over here, you add into video here, video URL, and we have here bio. Add a short bio to let people know more about who are you and what you create and why you are on Patreon. Then you have your social, help people find you wherever you are. Connect your other accounts to show them on your page who will never post on your behalf. Then you have here, you can use Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, TikTok. You can use all of that. You can use both of that and then you click over save. Then we have you make your first public post. Let fans know what to expect with a welcome post or a honest piece of work that's available to everyone. Public posts are shared more and can bring in more visitors. You click over here and you select type. But before, let's know the steps and I will come back to this one because it's very important and I will explain this deeply. So we have a publisher page. This is it. It's time to go live with your page. Then we have to tell people, share your page with your audience so people can start joining. So let's come back to this one. I will choose, for example, text. And you'll find this page. We have create text post. You can add a title. Here we have honestly write anything your members will love it. For example, selling product. Selling products. Then I will write something here, for example, another new choose of Kyrie Irving Infinity. So this is it. And just upload attachment here and you click over next. Once you do that, we have your sell product. Who can access this post? You can choose here between public, paid members only, free members only also. Then we have set a release date. Schedule your post or set it to have an earlier release date. Backdated posts won't be at the top of your page and will appear based on the date you set. Then we have your allow comments on this post. You have your all members can comment on your public posts. You can just switch on or switch off. Then we have notify members when this post goes live. Members will get notified based on their notification settings. You can just delete your draft or not. Then you click over publish. So let's come back. And we have here also collections. About this one, you have just to click over create collection and you upload the image, then you add a title here, then you have description, then you click over create collection. Then you have your membership. Build your paid membership. Income you can count on, earn requiring income from your biggest fan. Then you have start with what you have, offer something you are already excited to share with your friends, plus some added perks. Then you have your grow your creative business, get insights on your members, get exclusive member only chats and more. Then you click over get started. Once you that you will find your new tire. You have this page, it's just some information that you have to know before getting started. Choose what to offer, then we have what benefits should I offer. One is content, behind the scenes content, access to a community chat, member all info, and you have early access. Then you click for next, you have tires and pricing here. How many tires should I have? What price should I choose? Then we have here some answers. You click over done and you will find this page. Firstly, you have customize tire. You write your tire name, then monthly price, for example $15. Have you the tire description, describe the benefits and exclusive content people can expect to get when they join. Then you add a cover image also. Then you have your tire benefits, let your members know what they can expect from this membership. Then you have free trial here, allow members to try this tire for 7 days before charging them. Then we have advanced here also. Tire settings ask members for a shipping address and the checkout. Then we have limit the number of members who can join us. For example, I will choose 1 million because I am very famous, and I will just choose 1 million because it will come a lot of people. So I just limit it on 1 million. Then we have Discord access. Manage Discord access in Discord settings. Then we have configure fade here, and that's it how it works with that. Let's come back to the home page, and you have also here about. You can just click over it and know more information about. Introduce yourself, help people come into your page, get to know you, share more about who are you, what you create, and why you are on platform. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. You have just to get started as soon as possible. So I'll see you in the next video.